In this film, 4 of them reveal how justice works. Their battles with the government, their struggle with emotion, and the responsibility of having to be right. It's 6 a.m. and Lord Phillips has been up for hours. As head of the court, what does he think you need to become one of the top judges in the country?
You need a good intellect, because ultimately what matters is a feel for what is the right decision. And this is a mixture of analysis and common sense, looking at the implications. It sounds a bit obvious that to be a good judge you need good judgment.
Lord